Uulitin ko, Myla, yung sinabi ko kanina. Ikaw naman nagpapainit ka na naman. Parang hawakan mo yung tenga yung sinasabi mo yan. Walang ganyanan. All 24 senators, I think that way. Sino man sa amin, kabilang si Senator Soto, ang may bilang, hindi niya dapat talikuran yung responsibilidad at yung hamon na yon na binibigay na kumpiyansa ng mayoriya ng mga senador sa taong yon. So, hindi unique yung posisyon yon. Posisyon yan, naniniwala ako. Pananaw yan, naniniwala ako. At paninindigan, dapat yan, naniniwala ako, ng bawat senador. Dahil wala namang qualification ng Senate President. Ang qualification lamang, dapat miyembro ka ng Senado.
At sino man ang maging
Tama na yung katatapos lang ng bangayan sa politika. Hawak tenga ka naman agad. Wag muna.
At sino man yung maging
hawak ilong agad. O, wala naman ganun. Di ba? Wag naman. Palipasin nyo naman ng konti.
Sir, ano yung magiging scenario? Pwede ba yung magkaroon ng third force? Kasi di ba minsan, eto, majority, minority, and then naalala ko nun, Senator Alan and Pia, hindi sumama sa admin at minority, parang independent.
Posible yon, pero sang-ayon sa rules, membership is determined by minority and majority. So sa dulo, pipili pa rin sila kung sinong gusto nilang mag-nominate sa kanila. Bilang miyembro o chairman ng mga komite. Because Parliament, the Senate, like Congress, operates on that principle, majority-minority. Hindi administration-opposition, majority-minority. Majority-minority simply defined as you voted for the winning Senate President, you're with the majority. You voted or did not vote for the winning Senate President, or you voted for another person, then you belong to the minority. It has nothing to do with administration opposition. May nakita na akong pagkakataon na baliktad yon. Yung majority, opposition, at yung minority, kakampi ng administrasyon. Posible yan, ha?
Possible yan na mangyari this.
Posible naman yun. Noong panahon ni GMA. Nung panahon ni dating Pangulong Estrada, di ba? Nung nagkabotohan, nagpalit din. Naalala nyo yung Kongreso, nagpalit din ng speaker. O yung speaker, naging anti-administration, di ba? Tapos nagpalit ng ilang ulit. So, depende. Again, majority means you voted for the winning speaker or Senate President. Minority means you did not vote for him or voted for someone else, which is totally separate and distinct from being opposition or administration in relation to the sitting government.
So, sir, asahan na magkakaroon ng changes sa committee, chairmanship. Pag ba ganun, maraming mga